Grok AI has just rolled out an exciting update to their platform. Now, instead of being limited to 6 seconds clips, you can extend your videos up to 30 seconds at a time. This makes creating longer, more engaging videos easier than before. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use this new feature step by step. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and share with other creators.
Okay, so head over to your browser. I'm using Google Chrome. Then type grok.com. So you're going to get something like this, right? Please, for this, you may not be able to use your Grok app version. You know, Grok has an app version. So just go to your browser and type grok.com to have access to it. So it's going to ask you either to view in the Grok app or open Grok. Just cancel it. This X right here. Tap it to cancel it, right? Before you proceed, just come to the side where we have these three dots down here. It depends on how it is placed on your phone. I'm using an iPhone, right? On your Android device, you can check. Just look for three dots somewhere on your phone and then change this view. Change it to request desktop site. That is, change the view to desktop view. So I'm going to click on request desktop site, right? Click on these three dashes, click on imagine. Click on imagine. So this is the desktop side. Let me confirm once more. If I click on these three dots now, I'm going to see request mobile site. So meaning that it's already on the desktop site. Okay, so on clicking on that, we'll just click on this part where we upload image. The interface has changed a bit. Normally, when you want to upload images on Grok, it used to be different from what we have right now. So just tap this particular button, tap on it, and you will see edit images and animate image. So edit images helps you to be able to edit your images. You can choose up to 3 images as you go to edit, but that's not actually what we're here for. So we're going to be using the animate image feature. You click on animate image. Then you're going to click on photo library and bring in the image you want to upload, right? That you want to animate. Now I'm going to click on this particular one and click on add. So we'll wait for it, right? So normally on Grok, you can actually turn off your auto generation off. You can turn off the settings to auto generate. But I noticed for the past 2 days while trying to use the app, I noticed that even if you turn it off, it's not currently working. So if while you're using the app, you're getting something like this, just request mobile site again, then change it back to desktop site. Change it back to desktop site, right? Then re-upload the image. I guess it's because of the upgrade going on right now. That's why they're having this kind of glitch. But once you tap on the image now, it should be able to work. Okay, you can see that it has automatically started generating the video without even prompting it. So we're just going to cancel video so that we can animate properly and type what we want to happen in that image. So let's say the girl says in Nigerian accent, "Mom and dad, please, I don't want to go to that school." So I'm going to put that in quote. I said the girl on the left says in Nigerian accent, "Mom and dad." So whatever she's going to be saying, I'll put it in prompt, in quote. "Mom and dad, please, I don't want to go to that school anymore." And then we hit generate, right? So we'll just wait for it to generate. It has generated that part for us. So we have only 6 seconds. Now, they have a new feature. They just added this. You can extend your video, right? So now click on these 3 dots right here. Click on these 3 dots right here. Then you click extend video. So we're going to extend again by another 6 seconds, right? You can just say maybe the girl continues to say, the girl on the left says in Nigerian accent, "They stress me too much. They stress, cannot continue, dad. I cannot continue. I cannot continue, dad." Okay, so you can see that the girl on the left says in Nigerian accent, "They stress me too much. I cannot continue that." And then it generates still on 6 seconds, right? So it's going to add an extra 6 seconds to the previous 6 seconds. You understand? Just wait for it to generate. So you're going to wait for it to extend. So it keeps the previous 6 seconds it generated earlier, and extends it by another 6 seconds. So let's wait for it to finish up. So we're going to be having 12 seconds when it is done. Okay, so you can see it's done extending by 6 seconds. If you play the video now, you will see that it has merged both the first 6 seconds and the next 6 seconds, making it 12 seconds. To extend again, you can create a long video from this particular scene. From this particular scene, you can create, a long dialogue clip by just clicking on extend. So you click on those three dots and extend again. So it will add an extra 6 seconds, making it 18 seconds. So you can just go ahead and put whatever you want them to say. Let's say the man at the center says in Nigerian accents. Let me just say Kemi. You do not have a choice. You have to complete your studies in that school and not waste my money. Okay, so I added that. The man at the center says in Nigerian accent, Kemi, you do not have a choice. You have to complete your studies in that school. I cannot waste money. I cannot waste money. I cannot waste my money. So you just hit generate like that. Okay, I think I pressed it twice. Okay, so we hit generate and we wait for it to generate. So you're going to continue to do this until you have up to 30 seconds or until you're okay with that scene. You may need to bring in another image to continue your storyline, right? To continue animating for your story. So it's so easy right now. You may experience some glitches because I also experienced the same. I guess it's because of the upgrade. They are still upgrading their system, and that's why it is so. So it's done generating right now. Let's see what we got.
Mom and Dad, please, I don't want to go to that school anymore.
Why, dear? What happened?
Talk to us, sweetie. They stress me too much. I can't deal.
What is it, my dear?
Tell us, we're here for you. It's just too much.
Kemi, you do not have a choice. You have to complete your studies in that school. I cannot waste my money.
So you can see that that's like six in three places, that's 18 seconds. So you will continue to do this. You can do this until you have 13 seconds for this particular scene. So, and after that, you can bring in another scene. Let's say the scene is changing, the characters are going to be somewhere else. It's going to be a different place entirely. So you can see that this is changing the game for creators, especially when it comes to creating AI stories or AI movies. I hope this helps. If you need more explanation, you want a detailed course on how to create AI videos for storytelling or for animated story from the scratch, from the scripting to the prompting to generate images to creating your visuals, editing and putting everything together. I have a detailed course, right? And you can get access. The link is in the description box below. It's so detailed.